Fun fact! Did you know that an average woman has about 6 bags in her possession? Hi again, fabulous people, it's Sean here and welcome to another vlog with JC's Home Finds. So far, with our Bag Bit series, we've tackled the history, the common types, the ranking systems, and the reasons why you should authenticate your handbag. Now, why not we explore its physical properties this time? With this Bag Bits video of the week, I would like to show you the anatomy of the handbag, featuring our Chloé parody and Fendi Zuko Bag. Let's zoom in with the video. When we're talking about the anatomy of handbags, we might also be aware of the distinctive terms used by the other brands in the industry. However, in this video, we'll be focusing on the generic and most basic parts of a handbag for generalization purposes. Starting off with the handle. Handle materials come in different types such as leathers, fabrics, wooden, metals, and even rope styles. Ideally, they should and have to always feel comfortable to the wearer, the moment you grip it with your palm, of course. Bags can weigh over 3 to 4 kilograms, you know. Next section here is we have the 4 golden coat metallic materials, or what we call in the handbag dictionary as the hardware. In this case, though, this type of hardware is called the handle attachments. Rightly so, it must feel solid and firmly bolted to the bag. Think of it as the spines of the bag because it is what is literally helping the bag to fulfill its function. Hovering over around the bag, we have the strap. Mostly these are considered as bonus parts of a handbag because as the term itself suggests, they are handbags in the first place. What makes straps quite the indispensable part of a handbag is its convenience to the owner. Most people today are busy and most of the time you may find yourself loaded with your daily utilities on hand. Therefore, these straps are present to help you go hands-free and provide you the needed relief for your palms. Let the shoulder do the work. Moving on to another hardware, we have the ever so needed top zippers, or in some bags, the magnetic clasps. These are essentially what secures your valuables in your bag, and ultimately, they're the components which are smooth to be opened with. To clasp, or to declasp, or to zip, or to unzip. By the way, before we continue with the video, please like and share JC's Home Finds vlogs, and make sure you also subscribe for more weekly contents and uploads. Onward to the next half of our anatomy video, we have here our Fendi Zuko Bag. Now, this is a more aesthetic approach because what we call here is the accents, or simply brands, logos, and emblems of the bag. Again, it's another type of hardware that comes with variety of styles and color schemes. In this case, we have a golden toned accent. Not all bags must have these though. Some have merely embedded accents directly on the bag material itself. Speaking of bag materials, we have the bag body. As the name itself suggests, it is the largest and centralized compartment of a bag. It is where you keep your valuables. Pretty elementary to note, but really can be specified from the body is the materials. Believe it or not, there are over hundreds of types of materials used to build a bag body. Varying from brands, materials can be also called as piece goods, which are defined as the material of a bag. It is mostly composed of mainstay leather, synthetic, canvas, and etc. Next up are the top stitches and seams. These refers to any visible stitches you are seeing on the bag. They can either be decorative or functional or a combination of the two. On the other hand, seams are lines where piece goods are stick together. Lastly are the feet. These are usually small and varyingly shaped metallic pegs on the bottom of a bag, which support stability and protection to surfaces. However, in this case, our Chloé and Fendi bags doesn't have pairs, but it's completely fine. Not all bags must have their own respective feet. The brand of the bag you wish to have fully depends on your preferences, and apparently, each signature brands have their own distinctive anatomy and parts. Just like Louis Vuitton's monogram material and chaps, for example. Again, there are tons to talk about if we're going to sit through the distinctive brands and their parts. The truth is, no matter how much you're fond of your shoes, your accessories, your clothes, you'll always find your one true love with your handbags. And that is for today's video. Thank you so much once again for joining me with JC's Home Finds Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Stay fabulous as always.